Radhe Pranams. Here we are in Radhakunj, making our rajma chonk. Here we have making a wet chonks, cumin, coriander, green chili, jeera, bay leaf, chili. All right, we're gonna make the chonks here. फिर तेज पत्ता डाल दो, तेज पत्ता और मिर्ची डाल दो, तेज पत्ता डाल दो, वो डाल दो, मिक्स वेट वाला. Now giving, मिर्ची डाल दो पहले, मिर्ची डाल दो, राकेश भाई डाल दो ना, डाल, give Risi. All. बढ़िया. So here we have a wet chance, more flavor come out. We're gonna add the tomato gravy and cook the tomato gravy till it releases the oil. Here we're making our pumpkin sabzi chans, king, chili powder, got methi, fennel, black jeera. Now, Radhe Bruji, Haribo. So here we put in the tomato wet with the wet chance, and we're gonna cook it down for about 10 plus minutes, bring out the flavor more. Then we're gonna add the rajma, kidney beans and potato, some water, and afterwards we'll put garam masala and other spices. Here we have the rajma we boiled. You saw we boiled it about midnight, and then by the morning it was all cooked. Soaked it yesterday morning. Smoke. Okay, we're mixing in the rajma now. Here we have our Krishna Premji, in-house rice specialist. How many kilos rice you cooking here? 100 kilos, yeah? 100 kilos rice, more rice going here. Got to feed all the hungry in Braj. It's all our morning cooking session before then Purdy will come and make another feast in about another hour. Purdy will come and make about 15 preparations. This is for the morning. Here we've got the pumpkin cooking. Here's the Kesha Brat offering, one of the offerings.
Get my hat, you get it in.
So we're gonna add the potatoes now to the pumpkin. Potatoes already boiled. Now we're adding garam masala to the rajma. This is clove powder, cinnamon powder, mint powder, elaichi, cardamom powder. Black salt, fennel. Using mango powder and garam masala here. Here we are. We're gonna add this gur to the pumpkin to give it nice flavor. It'll be sweet sour pumpkin.